kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, memory, and even a little bit about one of my favorite holidays, Halloween! Using this cool Halloween puzzle and a little spooky magic. Check out the pieces on our Halloween puzzle. They're all in the shape of eggs, and they all have little Halloween characters on them. Let's check it out. This egg is orange, and it has black spiders with white spider webs. Hiding underneath is a black spider with orange legs. This egg is purple, and it has a bunch of purple witch hats on it. Hiding underneath is another purple witch hat with yellow stars. This egg is dark blue, and it has a bunch of bats on it with yellow stars. Hiding underneath is a blue bat. This egg is dark gray, and it has a picture of 3 black cats and a yellow moon. Hiding underneath is another black cat with green eyes and a yellow collar. This egg is green, and it has a picture of 3 Frankensteins with yellow lightning bolts. Hiding underneath is another green Frankenstein. And this egg is white, and it has a picture of 3 white ghosts. Hiding underneath is another white ghost. Now that we can see all the things hiding inside of our puzzle, let's... Uh-oh! What's happening? Oh no! Everything in our puzzle disappeared. Where did it all go? Hey, where'd this jack-o'-lantern come from?
You can call me Jack.
Okay, Jack. Do you know where all of my puzzle pieces went?
I'll be happy to return them to you, but you'll have to play my spooky memory game first.
Memory game? Okay. Sounds like I'll need some spooky friends to help me out. All right, let's see who we can get to help us first. It's a ghost!
Can you help me find my other ghost friend?
I've hidden your ghost friend somewhere inside this puzzle, but it might not be under the egg that you think it is.
Okay, Jack. Do you think you could give us a hint?
With a little spooky magic, I'd be happy to.
All right. Did you see which egg our ghost friend is hidden under? Yeah, he's under the witch hats. All right, here are both of our ghost friends. Let's take them away now. Okay, who's gonna help us next? Oh wow, it's a little Frankenstein boy and a black cat. There's 2 of them this time.
This time, you'll have to remember where 2 characters are hiding.
Uh-oh, that sounds like it's gonna be a little harder, but I think we can do it. Okay, Jack, do you think you can give us another hint?
Don't blink, or you'll miss it.
All right, where is the Frankenstein and the black cat? Yeah, there they are. Here are both of our Frankensteins. So glad they found each other. And here are both of our black cats. Let's take them away too. All right, Jack. Finding two at once sure was hard, but I think we handled it pretty good. Uh-oh. Looks like there's 3 spooky friends here this time. We have a purple witch hat, a black bat, and a black spider.
That's right. If you can find where all 3 of these spooky friends are hiding, you'll have all the pieces of your puzzle back.
All right, I think we're up for the challenge. Give us our hint, Jack.
Pay attention closely for your final hint.
All right, did you kids catch that? Where are the witch hat, the bat, and the black spider hiding? Yeah, they're right here. Here are the purple witch hats. Let's take them away. Here are the bats. Let's watch them fly away. And here are those creepy crawly spiders. Let's take those away too. All right, we did it. We found all of our spooky friends. You have a great memory. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun.
Have a happy and safe Halloween.
I'll see you again next time. Bye.